Tabo Monastery was built in the year of 996 CE by the Tibetan Buddhist Rinchen Dzangpo Lotsawa for the then king of Western Himalayan Kingdom. It is spread over an area of 6,300 square meters and is situated at a height of 10,000 feet. This ancient monastery is one of the oldest and the highly respected monastery among the Tibetan Buddhists. At present, the monastery is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. The entire monastery premises comprises of 9 temples and gompas. The old wall paintings and carved sculptures inside each of the temple and gompas depict the cultural and historical importance of Tibet and India. One can find ancient manuscripts, writings, thangkas and other ancient architecture here. The monks of Tabo Monastery dive deep into meditation in the Tabo cave located near to the monastery. The meditative vibes inside the Tabo caves makes one feel calm and relaxed. It is pertinent to note that Tabo Monastery allows visitors and travelers to stay in their budget hotels and dormitories inside the monastery complex and get a first-hand experience of the monastery life. Accommodation facilities are limited and one should not expect any luxurious options here. Kaza is the main city of Spiti Valley that has several government offices and other important sightseeing places along with markets, hotels, bus depot, hospitals and schools. It also has the highest and the only petrol pump in the entire Spiti Valley region located at the height of 12,000 feet. Located at the height of 13,596 feet, the strong Chicham Bridge connects the two villages of Chicham and Kibbar in the Spiti Valley region. It's an engineering marvel and it took 15 years to construct this bridge and is fairly recently in 2017 that the Chicham Bridge was inaugurated. Since then, travelling between these two villages has reduced by 40 kilometers and has become time-saving and convenient for travellers, bikers, visitors and also for villagers. There is a 1,000 feet deep gorge named as Samba Lamba Nalla, and if you look down the depth of the gorge, it surely leaves you stunned and bewildered. Ki Monastery is one of the most visited Tibetan Buddhist monastery in the entire Spiti Valley. This monastery is 1,000 years old and is located on the top of a hill at an altitude of 13,668 feet above sea level and is close to the Kaza township. The oldest and the biggest Buddhism training center of Lamas, Ki Monastery is a heap of several rooms and narrow corridors on a monolithical conical hill. The monastery is a 5-minute uphill climb and is interconnected by narrow passages, small staircases and low-heighted doors. One can also opt to stay at the Ki Monastery for 1 or 2 months for a nominal fee to experience and learn more about the Buddhism religion and its culture. Langza, another remotest village in the Spiti Valley, has hardly a population of 300 people. This village is located at a height of 14,500 square feet above sea level, and visitors who come to Spiti Valley make sure to visit Langza for the most popular and tallest Buddha statue that is located atop the hill overlooking the valley. And the villagers believe that this idol of Buddha protects them from evil spirits, and thus they pray and honor the statue with utmost respect. Hikkim is another hidden gem of a village in Spiti Valley that houses the highest post office in the world. It is situated at an elevation of 14,400 feet and people come to Hikkim only to post their postcards and letters from the highest post office. It's a boon to the villagers as it also acts as a savings bank where villagers can deposit or withdraw money. Hikkim village is the world's highest polling station and I sent plenty of postcards from this post office to my friends and family and I received them within a month. Believe me, it was one of the happiest feeling I had, so I definitely recommend it to anyone visiting Spiti to try this out. The Kunzum Pass or Kunzumla is one of the India's highest motorable mountain passes located in Himachal Pradesh that acts as a gate to the majestic Spiti Valley. It connects the two towns of Lahaul and Spiti and is situated at a height of 4551 meters. During winters, this pass is covered and is filled with snow. The motorable road is also known for the goddess Kunjum temple that guards over the pass and protects the people from its evil power. It is mainly visited by the bikers to seek the blessings of the goddess Kunjum and to visit the Chandratal lake. Chandratal lake is located at a height of 14,100 feet and is surely the highlight of the entire Spiti Valley trip. The lake is named after its shape of a moon and is a sweet water lake that is around 2.5 km wide and is a source of Chandra river. The lake remains cut off and frozen throughout the year except during the months of June to September. The lake is normally crystal clear and bluish green in color, but it changes its color often as per the shade of the sky. Isn't that something worth seeing live with your own eyes?